All right, happy Monday, kindergarten friends. It's me, Mrs. McClure here, and today we are going to talk about a new letter, another letter for this week. So I'm going to show you some pictures. I'm going to say the word, and I want you to say the word after me. When we're done going through our pictures and our words, I want you to tell me what sound do you hear that is the same in all of my words. Okay? So my first picture is pail. This is a pail. Okay. Pan. Pen. Pig. Pillow. And our last word is playground. So what sound did you hear that is the same in the words pail, pan, pen, pig, and pillow, and playground? What sound did you hear that is the same in all of those words? The sound. Very good. So today we're going to be talking about the letter that makes the sound. So as you say that sound, what is happening to your mouth? If you're watching me, what is my mouth doing when I say p? That's right. My mouth, my lips are pressed together, and when you make that sound, can you feel your lips pop open? Pop. So when you say p, do you feel your lips popping? Yeah, our lips pop when we make the p sound. Okay? This sound is a blocked sound. So it's blocked. When we make that sound p, our lips are blocking the sound. It is also a consonant sound. Okay? Do you know what consonant letter from the alphabet makes the p sound? Well, I'm going to show you. This is the letter that makes the p sound. So this is the letter P. Can you say the letter P? So the letter P is the letter that makes the p sound. So our key word for the letter P is pilot. A pilot is the person who flies a plane. We call them a pilot. And the word pilot starts with the letter P. And so this is our key word. This is our card that's going to help us remember the sound that the letter P makes. And so this is how we're going to read the letter card. We say the name of the letter P, we say the key word, which is pilot, and we are going to say the sound that the letter P makes, which is P. So say that with me. I'm going to do it first, and then I want you to do it. Ready? P, pilot, P. Now your turn. And now we're going to do it together one more time. P, pilot, P. So this card is going to help us remember the letter P and the sound that the letter P makes. So anytime you see this card, you're going to say P, pilot, P. Very good. Now let's look at how to write the letter P. So get your hand ready. You're going to skywrite it with me. And if you have your dry erase board with you that I sent home with you, then you may use your dry erase board to practice writing the letter P with me. I have my dry erase board ready, and I have my marker ready. So if you don't have those items ready, you can pause the video and you can go grab yours and you're going to practice writing it with me. Okay, so I have my marker. I'm left-handed, so this is might look a little bit weird from this angle, but that's okay. We're still going to do it. So this is how we're going to write the letter P. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the top and we're going to go down, back, up, and around. So that's how we write our uppercase P. Try that again. Say it with me. Down, up, around. See? That's how we do it. And then we do the lowercase p the same. So it's down, up, around, and it looks just like that. Okay? Down, up, around. So go ahead and practice writing your letter P's with me. Down, up, around. And that's not the best P that I could write. I'm having a hard time writing on this angle with my left hand. Okay, try it again. Down, up, around. That is how we write the letter P. So go ahead and practice writing the letter P a couple of times, saying the motion. So we say it out loud. Down, down, up, around. Okay, so work on writing your P's on your dry erase board. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to work with our circle map for the letter P, the p sound. Okay, so I am going to write my P's in the center, and I'm going to remember how I write the letter P, and it is down, up, around, and down, up, around for my little bitty guy right here. Okay, now we're going to think of some words that start with the p sound. Can you think of some words that have the p sound? Okay, good. I'm going to put a word that I know that says p, p, p. When I go to the movie theater, I like to get a special snack when I go to the movies or when I watch a movie. And can you think of what that snack might be? Popcorn. Okay, so I'm going to write popcorn because I know popcorn says p, p, p. So I'm going to write my popcorn, and I'm going to draw a picture of my popcorn. So when I go to the movies, I get some popcorn. And popcorn starts with the letter P. And it says the p sound. Can you think of some other words that have the p sound that we can add to our circle map? I know one. I'm going to do one more together, and then you're going to do your own circle map, and you're going to bring them to our Google Meets. But let's do, what about the word pig? Does the word pig have the p sound? Oh yeah, so I'm going to draw a pig. And you guys are so smart. Do you think you could help me spell it? So what letter comes first in pig? The letter P. And what letter says the I sound? The letter I. And the G. The letter G. And I'm going to draw a cute little pig. Okay? So what you guys are going to do is, on your own time, during your asynchronous time, you will work on your own circle map for the letter P. Okay? And when we come together, we're going to review it, and you're going to share some words that you put on your circle map that we can add to our big circle map here. Okay? Before I leave, let's review the letters. So what letter is this? The letter P, thank you. And what sound does it make? Very good. And let's review our sound card. Here is our sound card for the letter P. So let's go over it one more time. Ready? P, pilot. Very good. And the letter P is a blocked consonant sound. And it says P, P, P. Okay? All right. Can't wait to see the work that you do on your circle map. All right. Have a great day.